So what keywords are people searching into Amazon or into any search engine or shop that and they're finding your stuff and yet they're not buying anything, and why? Because you don't have what they're looking for. Now check this out. This is a spreadsheet. This is a search results spreadsheet from Amazon. This is actually Australia. And so here, this is a snippet of this massive spreadsheet. But just to give you an idea here, this is called affirmation cards. And then down here, there's positive affirmation cards. Interesting. Also, guided journal, ADHD planner, right? So just taking these four things: affirmation cards, guided journal, ADHD planner, and positive affirmation cards. And you'll see over here, so I've spent some, money, one, three, five, six, I don't know, $8 or I don't know what, $10. And I haven't made a single sale. And yet the point of my little video here is because I don't have books like this. So, of course, for me, if I don't want to write books like that, I should turn these into negative search terms, meaning if someone types in affirmation cards, they should not show my book because that would be a negative customer experience, meaning they type in affirmation cards, they're looking for affirmation cards, and they get to my book, they click on my book, so they clicked 5 times. So 154 people saw this, typed in affirmation cards, saw my book 154 times, clicked on my book 5 times with a click-through rate of 3.2% here. I paid 31 cents for each click, meaning I paid $1.54 total, and yet I don't have any sales. Why not? Because I don't have what they're looking for. So in my particular case, I have two options. One is I can turn off this search term, and by doing that, meaning I will make it a negative keyword. At the very least, I'll get it out of, if I have it as a search term, I'll take it out. I could go a little bit more extreme and make it a negative keyword, meaning if someone types in affirmation cards or positive affirmation cards, they will not find my book because I will, if I turn it off, I make it a negative, then my book will not show up. People type that in. However, I think the bigger takeaway here from this information is, gee, maybe I should write books with affirmation cards. Maybe I should write an ADHD planner or even a planner or positive affirmation cards, right? I mean, this got 9 impressions, not so much. Atomic Habits. So there's another one, right? My book is a lot about habits, or some of my books. And there's Atomic Habits, and that's a popular book. I've got 3 clicks. I also paid 31 cents, but I didn't get any. So that, this one's legit, right? I mean, maybe they're, clearly they're looking for the actual book, Atomic Habits. They see mine, but this is different. This is affirmation cards. They're looking for any book with affirmation cards. The big takeaway here is maybe I should have a book with affirmation cards. There you go. There you have it. What else we got just for fun here while I take a quick peek? Here, like weight loss. I should make that negative. My books are not about weight loss. This is too much to explain, but this is actually a book. Doesn't mean they search for that book. Anything else interesting? Yeah, I'd make that one a negative as well. PhD book. Here, journal trackers and journals, right? Pretty cool. All right, there you go. There you go. A little behind the scenes in the search spreadsheet nastiness that nobody wants to know, but this is where the good stuff is. And this is where I could possibly learn, gee, maybe I should write a book about that. All right, thanks for watching. Bye for now.